Hi everyone. I also thought to do an update on my gold video that I did on the tail end of last week. So it's the 25th today, and I'm actually looking at the gold trade. So I wanted to update you on a few things. So first of all, I was looking at a break of the low of this indecision candle that was finding resistance. Subsequently, the low was broken, followed by a nice little bearish candle, and so I had an entry on that. Now where it gets really interesting, and I didn't post a video on this, but I'm going to do it now, is that actually I found that there was, if I just go down the time frame, so basically what I'm going to do is, this is there was a bit of a retracement. I was still effectively short on it, and I noticed that there was a very nice bearish candle on the 1 hour time frame up against that same level. And so I considered the idea of scaling in to that trade opportunity with a portion of 1%, and that was subsequently followed by another rejection candle, and I kind of thought this looks pretty good. My position was still short. This was coming up, and I have to say, by the way, this was coming up against a 618 retracement, and so there was additional reasons, same level of resistance, both sort of double rejection candles, and a Fibonacci resistance level on the lower time frame as well. So all of it just looks as though it was kind of basically it was a rejection pattern or a short opportunity within a short opportunity, and I look to scale in this. So I look on the break of the low of this bearish candle with my stop loss above the high of that, and prices subsequently moved down, and I just thought that I would then kind of take you through the reasoning behind that. And so if I just have a look here, this is really what I took that entry on this 1 hour candle, entry below the low of that, and scaled in on that opportunity. And of course, that trade is now at break even. So price has moved all the way down here. It's still en route down to, ideally down to these levels here, but I wanted to show you. So the main thing was getting this trade to break even, which it is. So that's a no lose trade here, and I'll have a look at updating this. But yeah, here's the goal, is basically taking profit as I go, and then seeing how far we can get. If gold is going to kind of relax and actually start, especially here, if I can get it on the weekly to break that low, which looks like it's just about done, it should then form a swing high on the weekly and head lower.